How to find someone's deleted Instagram posts. Learn step by step. How to find someone's deleted Instagram posts. Learn step by step. Is it possible to recover photos on Instagram? True, there is no trash bin, so it is not possible to try to recover Instagram photos or images through the app. However, if photos are erased by Instagram owners using their own Android device, luckily, there may be some Instagram retrieval solutions that can help erase photos on Instagram. How to find someone's deleted Instagram posts. Did you know that whenever you use an Android device to upload a photo to Instagram, a copy of it is saved on the device at the same time? Check the folder image. Reload what you deleted to recover Instagram photos. This is the first suggested Instagram photo recovery solution. If the first Instagram photo retrieval method fails, you may have to try another method. This may be your best choice, as it is designed to recover lost data, including images, contacts, and messages on an Android device. Then click the Start button to detect and connect the software to your device. Note, since the software can only access the rooted Android device, you need to make sure that your phone is rooted before your recovery. After connecting your device, the software will scan the device to quickly search for all existing and lost data.